time. Here's the next day. Oop. There we go. Like always. On our way to Bellingen now. Didn't get any footage of this waking up this morning because it was straight out of bed, shit in the shower, and then a piece of toast and off we go. It's not that early. What is it, 8 o'clock or something? 20 past 7. So we'll be there about 8 o'clock for the swap meet, which I think the swap meet already kicked off at like 7 o'clock or something. What the fuck's he doing? What's he fucking doing? What's he doing?
Say his fucking thing didn't recognise his plate. It didn't yesterday,
Oh, didn't it? Nah. Servo, I've already filled up. These boys are filling up.
Been a long time coming, but we're finally there. No
Give it all it's got.
No race.
Alright. Thirsty monkeys, look at them.
Find our
Shortcut road, is he? Yeah, he is. Take the scenic route. You can either go straight ahead or this way is a bit more scenic.
Funny how the years disappear until an old face suddenly appears. 4 years gone, maybe 5. Then one handshake brings it all alive. No catching up, no starting again. Feels like yesterday, feels like we've always been friends. Different year, different road. Same old machine, same stories waiting to be told.
Growing market. Oh, actually that's the showground just there, I think. Here we are, off the safaris. And as well, next look apart.
But nobody here really stands
like that.
Different stories, different lives, same strange obsession, keeping old things alive. Maybe we're all a little strange. It's probably why nothing needs to change.
Upsetting the locals. Don't know where we're going. The whole place is out, is it? Oh, they got the at least the mirror balls working. They got power for that. I was going to say they got power for the mirror ball.
Old folks lie beneath the morning sun. Every single one is somewhere it's coming from. Some perfect, some rough, some barely hanging on, but
Yeah,
somehow
definitely.
they keep rolling.
Very well done,
on.
mate. Thank you.
Maybe that's us too. Still turning up, still finding something.
Oh, here we go.
Another year, another road, another story.
There you go, mate.
We get to take
How are you?
home.
Not foul, not too foul.
4 years can pass, life can change, but some things always stay the same. See you again.
Lights dawns on Marblehead. He's happy. Where have I been? The state of a man. Yeah.
They're all right. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, it does. Look like Dave Hughes. You're gonna start saying shit about elbow?
Yeah. All right.
I couldn't even explain the pace then. Yeah, I could one step ago to the ball.
Got the lonely country buggy section on its own. What else we got? So you can see the sections they've got. Type 3s, or no, Garmin gears. Type 3s.
Cold morning,
It's a remote control car.
That big one.
breath hanging.
That's a big remote control.
It is a big remote control car, isn't it?
Oh my god.
Cold morning, engines turning, breath hanging in the air.
Not a cheap one.
No, I don't think so.
With